Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I know we're starting out pretty great. The guys have been doing a little rendition of, well, music, I guess. They've been practicing. But hey, here's what we got going on Cardinal Manufacturing today. We're gonna head over here. We got some grill making going on. We do a ton of these through the year. I apologize if you're on the list for a grill. I promise you, we are trying to get through all of them. We're getting pretty close, but we got a bunch of them here. They're set up, they're going. So if you're on the list, you should be getting a call pretty soon from our production manager, Garrett. I think we got 7, 8 of them here. I believe our list, we finally got it down into the 30s that we have waiting. So going there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Bo and Collin today take you guys through what they do to build a grill. They're doing some of the customs right now, but they're gonna go back and they're gonna do an 18 for you. Right now I got them back here doing some shearing, so I'm gonna let them take it from there. Hey guys, how's it going?
Good, pal.
All right, here you go. Here with them.
And this is where it begins, you know, we're at the metal rack where we store all of our metal. And we're gonna be making some grills today.
First thing, we're gonna wanna find 14 gauge. Grab our little rolly cart over here. Throw her on there like that. And we're off to the shear.
Oh, well, here we are at the shear. We got our cold rolled 14 gauge.
We're gonna send
out some grill sides.
And here we go. 4. Take a look at this piece. $15 on the money. And 15 on the money. All right, so now that we got it cut to 15 on the one side, Bo's gonna go move the stop back to 18. We're gonna make another few cuts here. This is Bo's favorite part of the shear. He gets.
Yeah, we got our stop. You just crank this, see wherever you need it to. We got our measurements all up on the side. And 18, there we go. And all you do is you slide this in there till it hits the stop. Make sure it's lined up on the side. Start her up. And that little lever down there is where you cut it. You use to cut it.
Here we go. 4. And here's our piece right here. Bo, you want to tell them why we yell 4?
We yell 4, just, you know, a little heads up that we're cutting, make sure no one, we always look over the machine, make sure no one's in the way, and then just so everyone knows that there's a big bang coming. So,
yep. All right.
Otherwise, there's another form of measurements on the side right here. It goes from 7 right down here all the way into 920, and then from 22 all the way to 48. So,
all right. 4.
that looks lined up to you guys.
And here we have
Here's our 4 side pieces. Now we gotta cut out our bottoms.
So our bottoms here for our grills are 18 by 18.
But that's like the standard grill size. Otherwise, you can order custom ones, or just we have bigger sizes that you can look at on our website.
Our bottom piece.
Double check that. 18 by 18. There we go. So here's all of our pieces, or our sheet metal pieces we're gonna need for the grill. And eventually we'll have to cut out some legs and some tops and bottoms and stuff. So, all right, here we go. We're on our way to our fab table, our new fab table. It's pretty neat.
It's already got a grill up there, as you can see.
Did you test fit them?
We've made these, you can use all of these attachments and stuff to make some like
some jigs
and stuff. You can put together grills. Like this one we've already got set up for an 18-inch grill. And yeah. Well, let's go cut out some legs, I guess.
Down
You
here.
always check down here.
Let's see, what do we got right there?
Here's our long legs. You can tell they're long legs because
Those might be the really long legs.
yeah, these are for our custom grills. Well, I guess let's cut some new legs out.
Alright, we'll go show you guys that. Yeah, this fab table I think is was a good investment for us. We've been kicking out 2 grills a day.
Alright, the short legs, it'll be 20. So as you can see on this grill, there's short legs and some tall legs. The short legs have these holes in them so we can put an axle and some wheels on there. And then, what's that? No, we're gonna go cut out legs. And then we got these tall legs that are taller than these ones, so when we put the wheels on, it like levels out. So that'll work. And the short ones are 24. And then
26. 2 24s and 2 26ers.
And then we'll ask one of our kind machinists over there to cut out some, drill the holes in the legs for us. So
Now here we're at the bandsaw. That's where the magic happens. The legs. Are you cutting out legs?
Yeah, I'm cutting out legs.
Okay.
These 2 just need to be cut in half for 24s, the short ones.
Okay.
So then there's 4 more that I'll have pulled started on the same side.
All right. So for this, Bo's gonna tighten it up. Gonna lower the blade.
right down here we got all of our controls, all of our speeds. You can do is change for aluminum and steel. And right here you'll lower down the blade. So you get close, you can measurement. Make the measurement.
So you can see we're at about 24.5, so we're gonna have to bring it back. 24 is gonna be right there.
And then we'll tighten her up. Double check that 24 is good. Hit the trigger and then there she goes. Now we wait. Let's finish cut.
That one might be 24 too. Close. Not close enough though. No, it's like 23 7/8. That one's good though.
Well, I'll go throw this in the strap for another strap.
I'll come here, measure this again. 24 right there.
Tighten her up. Good.
Still good.
Hit the trigger.
Now we got some coolant. If we need more coolant coming, we can pull this bad boy. But right now we don't need that much. Yeah, we gotta cut out some 26s.
While we do that, we can see someone to drill the holes. Or one of us can do that. I want to show how to.
Here we have our 2 short legs. someone's got to drill some holes in these bad boys.
What's this Kelvin?
So we'll go check on our good friends, the machinists over here. We'll see what Kelvin's got rocking today.
Oh, look at that. Perfect. Alrighty.
Got that situation figured out. So I'm gonna put these bad boys under here for next time. So now we're gonna cut out our 26s.
Alright. So 26. Gonna be right up there. Yep.
All right, now as you can see here, the 2-inch difference. Head back over by Bo here. Come over here. We got some finished grills. Right there's a finished grill. Me and Bo were working on this the other day. It's got 2 handles. It's a custom grill. No wheels, of course. That's how the customer wanted it. This one, you can see how it's sitting like that. That's because there's no wheels on it yet.
We are with all of our legs and sides. Well, we're waiting for one more leg, I guess. We gotta wait for the hole to be drilled, but.
And then we'll have all the things you need for a frame of our grill.
Here's what the jig looks like with nothing there. It looks a little complicated more than it is. But
So when you start off, you
all
put a
do is
side in.
slide in the sides. Put in a couple sides. And then you put your leg there.
And then our legs, pretty much,
Right in the corner.
make it a perfect 90. Then if you can see right here, you take this bad boy, push it up against there, tighten it up there a little bit. And that's gonna push it in there.
Gonna keep it tight, make sure nothing moves. Keep it square.
Now come over to this side. That bad boy. All right. Well, so as you can see, it's coming together again. These holes right here, we want to make sure that they're lined up this way so our axle can go in like that. Put our wheels right here.
And then the next step is just to slide the bottom in.
So Bo's gonna take this bottom here.
All you gotta do, and see how we got all these on the inside. This lines up to make it level on the bottom. Make sure everything is equal. All you gotta do is slide it in like.
Sometimes it's a tight squeeze. That's all right. It'll go in there.
Like that.
There it goes.
There we go.
All right. And there you can see.
And there's like our frame of the grill. Next thing we'll do, we'll kind of set the wall. There you are. You see it's plugged in. Make sure the gas is turned up. Put it on. Flip the switch. And here.
Oh, hang on.
Here's your ground clamp. This cord get a little tangled up in this one. But here's your ground clamp. And what you'll do, you kind of want to. All this does is make sure, like, when you do weld, and you see, like, when the wire comes out, it actually welds. More of so then, if this isn't on, like touching, like anything that you're welding to, it doesn't weld. So just clamp this on down here.
All right, I'm gonna look for. So this piece right here says keep on it. That's because we're gonna go just like this on all 4 sides.
Just a little jig to tell you where to weld. Make
All the
sure all
little-
the welds are even.
All the little yellow pieces, you just go and put a tack. So I'll be using that.
Here we are. Got the grill all set up within the jig. We got the welder set up. Everything's good. Gas is on. We got all of our spots marked out where we're supposed to weld, as you can see. And we'll stack it up first, and then we'll weld it up. We've got these 4 pieces up here. Once we tack around the sides, have these going right here. Hold the bottom in, you know. Makes it look nice and all. So here we go. There's that. I'll pack it up around here. We'll pack that. And now all we gotta do is fully weld it. Put it down here and along this angle here. So. Now that we all have the down welds welded up, all over along here, I'm gonna weld along here on this angle up top again. Get that all secured and we'll take it off the table. Now that we got all that fully welded up, we're ready to take it out of the jig and pretty good. It's a little sticky getting out of the jig. And there you have your grill.
Now they just got to put the top pieces on.
Yep. Get these all cleaned up. Get them ready for paint. Now they're all lacquered up. We're ready to paint. And here we go, I guess.
We're just gonna get after it.
Yes, sir. I always start on the inside, just gets to be a lot with the fumes, but it's all right. Collin's getting after it still. And we're just gonna keep painting, so.
And here we have 2 perfectly nice painted black grills. Bo's just finishing up the axle over there. Take a minute to dry, and then all them little spots will be gone. But yeah.
And that's how you make the base of the grill.
And now we're off to the wheels here.
Want to pick up some wheels? Yeah. Here we got the wheels. Starting to run out of them. We got some more upstairs though. And I got you. Oh, here we got our wheels. We need our pins.
So these pins are gonna be right
up here on the shelf.
We grab
4 of them. Otherwise, you're gonna run out of wheels.
Huh.
Because they'll fall
That
out.
was a good one.
Sorry, I can't. There we go. Here, hopefully when we get back, they'll be dried up. We'll put the wheels on.
Oh yeah. It don't take long to dry. We got So as you can see, these grills are looking pretty nice. Couple spots on there, but they're still drying.
What's dry? Here we got our stuff we can clean up while we're at it. There we are back, making some grill tops now for the grills we just made. And we're gonna start off with shearing some expanded sheet metal down here. So here we go. Hold on. This is not the one we want.
Not the one we want. No.
Here's a piece we can use. Make sure it's the right measurements.
Yep.
We can use this for. That should be good there, actually.
Yeah, that'll be good. Alrighty. Gonna head back over to the shear.
Put this there.
Yeah. And here we are back at the shear.
Not
It's
quite.
like 17, so we'll just have to trim it up a little bit when we're
We'll
done.
do that first.
Oh, first.
You're right. Make sure she's 16 and... No. Yeah, let's go with it. Yeah. No. Oh. 15 or 7, 8. Oh, sorry. Or 16. Little malfunction there. Yeah.
And we'll make our cut. 4.
No, we got that. Double check. Make sure it's all good. Alright. Alrighty.
Our stop set, I just set that over there. All you gotta do is line it up, hit the stop, and we're ready to go.
4. And there we have it. That's how long is that piece? And now here we have our
2 tops, part of the tops.
sorry.
Now that we got those, we need to cut out some cold rolled 1/2-inch steel.
Yep. Put this in a scrap. Alrighty, and now we're off. So it looks like we got plenty of it here. So you can see it right there, right here. So we'll get the bandsaw set up. We'll be right back with you in a second. And here's our jig for tops. Bo's gonna show you how it works.
We've set this up before, kind of just leave it here because we've been working on grills a lot recently. So here we take our 16s. We only need 2 of them for each top side, and what we do, put one right here, one right here. Here's our 15 1/4. That'll line up right in between. There we go, just like that. There we go. That makes no more sense.
Here we go.
Sorry about that. Gotta tighten some of these.
So this is why this table actually works really nice, because we can set up a jig just like this, and we can pretty much
Do anything. So here we'll take all these. We'll line them up here. Make sure they're all good. Lined up. So here's for our next grill. Our next side. So what we're gonna do, we'll take this. Everything seemed to be lined up. And we'll double check with some tape here. Make sure each side is even. So here this side is, sorry, there's some other metal in the way. 2 1/4, maybe we'll go down to 2. 2 on this side. 2 on that side, so we're pretty good. Now all we need to do is tack it to start, and then we'll get right back at you.
Here we are back. Welder is all set up. Bo's got his PPE on, and he is ready to tack. So he's gonna tack those up. We're gonna go stand.
I need Shive to film this outro. Where are they? I guess we'll check out here. Oh my, what are they doing? What the heck are you guys doing?
Oh, hey. Hey, you found us.
Where's the chicken?
Collin, you said you were bringing it. Come on.
Oh,
Really, guys?
I was just here to cook.
Hey, we hope you guys liked the video. Collin and Bo had a great time showing you what we do here with making the grills. Make sure you like, subscribe, check us out on Facebook. Check out our cardinalmanufacturing.org. And if you got any questions, leave us a comment. Cardinal Manufacturing, out.